From the sun-drenched shores of Aruba comes a tale of prophecy and of one enigmatic island pundit. His name was Pancho de Aruba, a wanderer, a drinker, some say a madman. But one whose words echoed into tomorrow. He once predicted an epidemic of alcoholism, not just for tourists, but for his own neighbors, even himself.
I'm the Beelee, I'm to consider me mesmo Profeta, ni 𝐾𝐨𝐜𝐿𝐮𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐨, I'm the Jesus bebedor. Sorry.
Bottles will become our comfort, he warned, our celebration and our crutch.
Biso que nos tour bebida alcohólico, que na Aruba, começar a pôr freno na jet, tempo na yama, biso betico cruz, tingo bingo lei, em que era tendo, mas ela diz invitar para beber, mas vai dar dois com nento, me meluidades para me acordar.
And as the years passed, the rum flowed, bar doors never closed. Then came his second prophecy. As this island attracts wealth, the cost of living will climb, while her own children struggle. Hotels rose, prices climbed, and the hard-working locals found themselves priced out of their own homes. But it was his third prophecy that stunned the island. A foreign minstrel named Beelee, he spoke, shall come. He will perform and, without shame, will smoke marijuana publicly before the police and face no consequence. And so it happened. Beelee played. He lit his joint. The police watched and did nothing. Meanwhile, local islanders who dared a puff behind closed doors were harassed, humiliated, sometimes arrested. Was Pancho mad, or was he clairvoyant?
Hopi 𝐾𝐨𝐜𝐿𝐮𝐸, hopi 𝐾𝐨𝐜𝐵, e me bolve hopi 𝐾𝐨𝐵 também. So hopi 𝐾𝐨𝐜, me gusta bem.
Pancho de Aruba is gone now, perhaps into the trade winds.
Hey, tô caralho porque me minta mais viu, minta mais bibo que você não tu. Quando que na ainda eu como que me minta morto com o mama, ou busque mata gente por meio não tempo, mas com 24 horas, bela pro sangue, bom pá. Saca a câmera aqui me casa também.
Remember the name. When the next uncanny truth unfolds on this island paradise, you'll ask, did Pancho see this coming?